Guys, I am just excited. I am just feeling high spirit. Yo, what's up, my people? Official Kim Reacts here, your Jamaican friend. Nice to meet you all. I do hope you all are having a great week, a fantastic day, and please do let the good Lord guide you and keep you throughout this entire year and beyond, because it's a blessing to be alive today, and it's a blessing to see MP Thompson gave us something that we were waiting on. I personally was waiting on this man to give us something, and he finally gave us something, right? What we're going to react to today, it's called Ravnoteža. Right, Ravnoteža. Hipodrom, Zagreb, the year 2025. Okay, and have been like leeching, stalking, trailing, peeping to see what Mr. Thompson will give us. And finally, I think my stalking is over now. I think my peeping is over now. I think everything like that is over now, because finally I can able to sit and relax and to enjoy his music, because this man is an actual musician. So my people, with that being said, let's hear what's up. Guys, I am just excited. I am just feeling high spirited today. Whenever time I hear this man's music, the instrumental, the reception of the crowd, bro, it gives me such calm enchantment. Damn, yo, like this man is just a musical genius, bro. Like, I do not know what to say of how to explain or give an explanation of how this man do it, but he do it. He do it. He's just too good, bro. Just too good. His music is just such a life force, my G.
Crni oblak planine.
Can you all take me to Croatia? Please, I'm just asking for a friend. Okay? Each and every individual who is watching this reaction now, can you all please take me to Croatia one day? Because trust me, it's concert lit as fuck! Oh my god, yo! The vibe is just crazy here, man. The vibe is crazy. This man is just too good to be true. Oh my god, yo. The vibe, bro. The vibe. You're just there having a good time, and this man just comes up with a song, with a performance, and your entire day becomes lit as knock. Like, bro, crazy vibe. Crazy. His drummers, his musicians, everything is just a complete package. It's top notch, you know, high above the rest, a cut above the rest. MP Thompson, man, you're a G, bro. You're a genius. I ain't gonna lie, you're a genius. Your music is just genial.
Žao mi što ne znaš koliko je sreće domovina kad ti venama poteče. Pjesma moja golubice mira, čini mi se nekad kad te svira, ko da s tobom u osinja diram. Kad zapjevam Batija mi sudi, neka sudi, pjevat ćemo ljudi. Ne boj se rogova ni lažnih bogova, šta nam mogu lanjski snjegovi. Ne boj se tragova ričućih glavova, šta će crni oblak planini.
Hvaljen Isus i Marija, dragi moj narode.
That was brilliant. The performance was brilliant. You know, it was well delivered. This man delivered as a delivery guy should normally be delivered, if you guys understand. Right? You know, his music is timeless. Like, the more you listen, the more realer it gets. And it never gets old. Like, his music is just long-lasting, substantial, you know, substance. That if you consume this music, then it is highly said that the consumption of whatever you take in will now cause you to grow or will make you even become even more stronger. So the more you consume this man music, the more perfect it becomes. It more so consuming in such very spiritual manner. Your life is just have a better way of turning around your good deeds. That was very good, bro. That was very good. And if you guys enjoy my reaction, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon, click on all to get every notification of me reacting to Mr. MP Thompson, and leave a like. Share this to anyone you guys feel pleased to, which is in Croatia, or if you have a friend in any part of the world right now who is a Croatian, or any friend which of a different country, then feel free to share it as well. It would be my pleasure to see you all sharing this to a friend. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys in another MP Thompson reaction.